Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable wake screen for notifications on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the lock screen option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your lock screen features. Step 3. Now scroll down the menu to locate the wake screen for notifications option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the wake screen for notifications option to turn it on instantly. Or, do you want to turn the option off again? Then tapping the option will turn it off by itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.